Hey crew, today's video will be a cornbread casserole. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have hot dogs, sharp cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, 2 boxes of Jiffy mix, cream corn, jalapeno peppers, and milk. If you're new to the channel, you've seen this video, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Let's get into this cornbread casserole video. Okay, crew, so starting out, only thing I did was cut up 8 hot dogs. Then with the jalapeno peppers that y'all about to see, it was probably around a half a cup that I took out. And I finally chopped those up. And I put the hot dogs and the peppers in a bowl, set them aside. Okay, crew, if you don't like spicy food, you can use banana peppers in place of the jalapeno peppers. Okay, so moving right along, I used 2 boxes of Jiffy Cornbread for our cornbread casserole. Y'all also in the comment section, comment below, let us know how y'all doing. Then I went in with 2 eggs. We went in with the diced jalapeno peppers. Then we went in with our hot dogs. And y'all can use all beef hot dogs, all chicken hot dogs, whatever you want to use. It's up to your preference. Then I went in with 1 can of cream corn and 1 bag of sharp cheddar cheese. The whole bag. So after adding the cheese, crew, I just gave it a good mix to make sure that I had everything combined before I start adding my milk. And I think the box directions for Jiffy requires 1/3 cup of milk per box. I'm not for sure, or maybe 1/4 cup of milk per box. But whatever the box directions say, I did not follow those directions. Because here's why. Because I had the cream of corn and that was moisture, so I just added enough milk, probably about maybe 1/4 of a cup or 1/3 of a cup, to make sure that I had it well combined, just enough where the cornbread and everything came together well. Then I put it in a pan. Cool, y'all, check out that famous close-up before we put it in the pan. Okay, crew, so we're gonna spray our pan with Baker's Joy. Then we're gonna pull our cornbread mixture into the pan and get it in the oven at 375 degrees for 55 minutes or until golden brown.
아무 계획 없이 떠나볼래 다 내려놓고
Here's another famous close-up before it goes in the oven. Once again at 375 degrees for 55 minutes. Okay, our cornbread casserole is out the oven. And here we go. Okay, crew, so we about to cut into our cornbread casserole. And when I say this is the ultimate cornbread casserole, you best believe it. You know, with the cheese, the jalapenos, the cream of corn, and the hot dogs. I don't know why I'm saying cream of corn. Sweet cream corn. Y'all please forgive me. But y'all could just tell that it was super moist. And even though I let it sit out on the countertop for probably like 20-25 minutes before I cut into it, it was still moist and it was perfect. Like, I really have no other words. I'm speechless. Y'all just have to try the recipe out, and I'm gonna try and let y'all know what I think about it at the end of this video. So y'all please stay tuned. But y'all can see right there, man, look at that goodness. The hot dogs, the cheese, like you see the corn in there, you see the moisture content in the cornbread. Okay, we got our cornbread casserole. Not only cornbread casserole, but the ultimate cornbread casserole on a plate. And y'all can see all those flavors all up and through there. It's really good, y'all. It's creamy. You can taste the cheese, jalapeno, and the onions. Not the onions, but the cream corn. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Y'all please try this recipe out. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying, pop top, cool it is.